When he comes towards me on a good day, I feel better. But when he moves away, immediately I feel worse. I watch him leave. I'm watching his back. I'm waiting for him to turn around and look at me, but he never turns around to look at me. That is a rule. He never turns around to look, just walks on and on, not fast, not slow, till he turns to his back, then disappears. I want to shout out to him, wait, I want to shout out to him to stop, turn around, but I can't. I have no voice. Well, of course I have a voice. This is my voice, but the voice is inside me. It won't come out. There's a rule that my voice won't come out. Which is good, yeah. It's good that my voice won't come out. Since if I did shout at him to wait, if I did shout at him to stop, turn round, and he heard the shout and went on walking all the same, then what would that mean? It would mean he would know that I'd made a demand. It would mean that he had heard the demand and ignored it. It would mean that I had poisoned a good day, not just for me, but for him too. Yeah. For him too. And he would not throw that back in my face on the next bad day. No. He would throw it back in his own. Throw my demand back in his own face like acid. Because the thing that happens on a bad day, the thing that happens on a bad day, when the speck first appears, and then the speck is a man, and the man is, no. Start again, please.